to the Composing Cook. Today's recipe is my Flourless chocolate lime cream cake. Let's begin. Come over here. In my saucepan, I've got 150 grams unsalted butter, which I have melted, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to turn the gas off now.
Off.
Nicely melted.
Right.
And to that, I'm going to add 150 grams dark chocolate.
Right.
Throw that in. Give it a swirl around like that. Okay. Okay. And this is going to start to melt.
Yeah, you see that.
Leave it to one side for a minute. We'll come back to that, okay? In my mixing aid, I've got 250 grams caster sugar with 6 large eggs. If you don't have one of these, an electric hand whisk will be absolutely fine, okay? What you have to do, you have to mix this until it triples in size. You want it to be moussey. So let's begin. Well, come back when it's done. Come and have a look. Look at that, you see? It's tripled in capacity, if that's the right way of saying it.
Yeah.
It's lightened in colour and it's light and moussey. Right, let's leave that there for a second. Let's just come back to this chocolate and butter. Look at that, all right? All you have to do is get your whisk, give it a mix like this until the butter and the chocolate is incorporated. And while I'm doing this, my fellow composers, don't forget, if you're enjoying my videos, to press the like button, the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification button. Any comments and suggestions you have, please leave them in the comment section down below.
Do it, it's free of charge. No one's going to charge you. We're not going to spam you. Just do it.
Just do it, it'd be nice. And also, if you make this, let me know how you get on. Perfect.
Velvety.
That's exactly what you want. Let's just leave that again, right there, to cool slightly. So that's perfect. Now, back to this. What I have in my bowl is 100 grams ground almonds mixed with 4 teaspoons cocoa powder. I'm going to incorporate this 1 teaspoon at a time. Well, something like that anyway. Just like that. Next one in. Now we have to incorporate that chocolate and butter mixture. Put it on again, slowly. Just pour it in. The last ingredient to add to this is lime. So what I have here is the juice of 1 lime that can go in, and the zest of 1 lime. Now let's just mix that in. Just mix it in gently. Here I have a 23 centimetre cake tin which I have greased and lined. Okay, so we just need to pour this mixture in. So this needs to go into a preheated oven. My oven's preheated to 170. Mine is a fan assisted, if yours isn't 180. You need to cook this for between 40 and 45 minutes, but I will check it after 35. So let's put that in the oven. And I will see you when it's done. So it has been 35 minutes. Let's have a look. Right. You can see the top is firm and it's got a little bit of wobble under it. That is what you're looking for, all right? So now you need this to rest for 5 minutes and we'll come back. So after 5 minutes, get a nice clean tea towel, drape it over the top and let it cool completely. I will see you when it has cooled. So the cake has fully cooled, so let's have a look. Ta-da! And you're probably thinking, oh my goodness, it's sunk. That's gone wrong. No, it hasn't gone wrong. That is perfect. That's how it has to look. This is what happens when you have cakes which don't have flour in them. So this is absolutely fine. Don't panic. Right, before I take this out, what I'm going to do, I need to start the process of making the cream topping, the lime cream topping. So, in this bowl, I've got 75 grams icing sugar, and I'm going to add 60 millilitres lime juice, which I got from 3 limes. And as you can see, I've zested them as well, and I've held on to the zest here. We'll come back to this in a bit. Just get a fork and just mix that lime in with the icing sugar. The acid in the lime will break down the icing sugar. So let's leave that now. Leave that for a second. Back to the cake. Let's remove it from its tin. I did go around with a knife just to make sure. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Back to the lime and the icing sugar. See that? Look at that. That's exactly what you're looking for. All you have to do is add a 300 milliliter pot of double cream and use my electric hand whisker. You want to whisk until light and fluffy. What's this?
We're not interested.
Oh, hello. There we go. It's light and fluffy. Big fluffy clouds.
And zesty.
And zesty. All you have to do now is you put this on top of the cake.
Let me remove that for you.
And the little bit on the spoon. Hello, me. That bit of lime zest you got left. You don't have to put it all on, just put some of it on.
Sprinkle it over generously.
There you have it, my fellow composers. Take it all in. So there you have it. My flourless chocolate lime cream cake. This is perfect any day of the week. But imagine the sun is shining on a lazy Sunday afternoon.
Oh, blah, 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 blah. Let's
Slab
just
of
eat
this, shove it in. Perfect. My fellow composers, make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!